The purpose of this video is to show you how I wash my instant locks with extensions. I installed them on myself about 2 months ago. If you want to see how that is done, it is linked in the description, a video on my Instagram. When instant locks with extensions are installed correctly, you can wash them immediately and they will only get tighter and more mature. This is what they look like immediately after install, and I am going to show you what they look like right now. Crazy flat. I've been sleeping on them, putting them in buns, and now I'm going to show you how I factory reset them by washing them. Now, I am by no means a product junkie, nor do I give recommendations, whatever works for you. I know that I have dermatitis, so I like to use a dandruff shampoo and something with a little tingle. I typically do 3 rounds of this, focusing at my roots and letting it work its way down. I'm going down. With locks, when you think you've gotten all the shampoo out of your hair, trust me, you have not. You will often get out of the shower and start mushing your scalp around and hearing the sound of soap, and then you'll have to get back in. So just make sure after your final round of washing that you just sit under the water forever and ever and ever and ever until all of the soap is out of your hair. After the dandruff shampoo, I do like to go in with another shampoo that is a little bit more moisturizing. My hair is bleached and dry. I use whatever my sister brings home from Ulta. I am not a product peddler. I already have about over an inch of new growth, and if I don't bleach it now, I will be kicking myself in the ass. It's a lot easier to bleach the hair when it is close to your scalp because the heat from your scalp helps process it. And also, if I wait until it becomes locked, it's going to be a lot harder to get even color. So it's time to do it. I'm going to let my sister do it for me and also get any of the spots in the back that are black that were caused from me first locking my hair, then bleaching it, and then cutting it, and the core of your lock is still your original color because bleach does not penetrate all the way through. So when I combed out more curl, the black started to show, and then when I attached the extensions, you could still see the black. I love this shower. It has a bench in it so I can just sit there. Next week I'll be bleaching, recoloring, and showing you the updated look. There you can see a lot of the black patches in the back. I know this is controversial, but I use conditioner in my locks. I focus it on the ends and work it up. I do try to rinse it out very well, though I don't leave it in my hair. Now, this is not something I would recommend you do. I typically recommend people do this while their hair is dry. So while your hair is dry, you would wet just your ends and then add conditioner and comb them out. The reason for this is when your hair is all the way wet, all of it from root to tip, it is in a fragile state. Your locks are going to be looser from the water expansion, and it's going to be easier for you to pull your ends out. So do it while your locks are dry and you will have almost no shedding. This hair stays untangly for a very long time. I haven't brushed out the ends in probably about a month and a half. Yeah, don't quote me on that. But it does stay fairly detangled. You typically want to do it though, like every 2 weeks would be good. And every time you do it, you will see them come back to life. If you've been wearing buns or you sleep on your hair, it is going to get flat and scraggly looking, especially the looser the texture you get. So this 3C is what I have. If you get 3B and 3A, then it's going to look even flatter. But washing them will bring them right back to life. This is my first time brushing the ends out after installing them. So I'm going to show you how much shedding I got, even though I should not have been doing this while my hair was completely wet. That's all the hair I got. Shedding is going to be normal, especially for the first 3 months, but it shouldn't be a lot, just a little bit. I am going to show you how much hair I lost this wash cycle. Next time I wash, I'll show you how much I lose compared to the first wash. All I do is rinse, 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 rinse. Now you gotta rinse, 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 rinse. You ain't done. Rinse, 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 rinse. I don't know why I'm doing this. I just really wanted to see all the curls clumped together. I did go in and put some more conditioner in my hair because I don't know, I just wanted to. I wanted as much smell saturation as possible. You can put conditioner on new instant locks when they are installed correctly and it will not make them slip out. However, using no products whatsoever in your hair will make your hair lock up the fastest. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people oiling their scalps when they don't need to be, and oil will hinder the locking process. I also do not do retwists or crochet maintenance very often, and when I do not use product, I use water. Let me clarify, I use water for retwists. When I do crochet maintenance, I do it on dry hair, and I do it very lightly. But for the most part, I don't do anything to it after I wash it. I will not be doing any root maintenance. I am setting an intention with this set, and that is to grow out my natural hair. Once my hair gets to a certain length, maybe I'll give it 2 years, I will cut my locks and comb them out to see what my hair is looking like underneath. I have done that one time before, inserting picture. That was what my hair looked like after my first set of locks that I had for 2 years. I cut them out and then combed them out, and my hair looked amazing. I am going to spray some of this. Now, I am not a product junkie. I just use whatever I find laying around my sister's house. She is a professional hairstylist who works at Ulta in Frederick, and she always has a bunch of products, so I just steal whatever the hell she has. I look at the ingredients, see what I think will be good for my hair. This is a full blow volume dry texturizing spray. So basically the main ingredients are alcohol and dust. I don't know. It's going to help make my ends look extremely thick, and it's going to help my hair dry a lot faster. It looks really good right now, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's completely dry and the ends are all fluffed up. Oh, I don't know what that is. Is that bleach? I got bleach in my hair. No. And from here, you can even like separate the curls even further to give them some va-va-boom. But you just see how like thick and juicy these two curls look now? Because I'm just lightly fluffing them. If the ends of your lock extensions are starting to get stringy and flat, it's because you need to wash your hair. They are not getting thin. They are not falling out. You just need to wash your hair. I came to have a party, open up the Bacardi, something so hot tamale. It's my night, no behind. Almost cut that curl. I know you're gonna be like, why the hell are you holding scissors like that? Because I can, okay? I'm left-handed. I've had to learn how to navigate the world differently, okay? But I get shit done. I get shit done.